Hello traders, my name is John Paul. This is a follow-up video on the Day Trade to Win series on forecasting the markets. Before I continue, remember that trading is risky. Let's not trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Talk to your broker. There are risks involved with trading. Now, if you've been following the last few videos that I've done starting on August 26th, where I explained why the market would go down to 3,800, and yesterday it hit 3,800, and today it's continuing through 3,800. If you haven't watched that video, here's exactly what I said and all the subsequent videos after August 26th. The 9th, the 13th, and the 14th, in 3 days, the market moved roughly 408 points. So it would not be all that unrealistic to think that the market will move, if you're looking at here, about 408 points or more coming into next week. So if you're looking at a potential in selling the market as a swing trader, as a position trader, even as a day trader, if you see opportunities to be a seller, we have this idea that the market, first of all, drops and falls faster than it goes up. We have in recent history where it just has happened, about 408 points. And so you can see here that there is a great potential to be a seller, to make a lot of money to the short side. Now, and there you have it. The forecast is complete. This is based on analysis using price action, and I still believe that we may get a little bounce here off of the support that you're seeing here in this area, 3,700 or so. We may even see the market turn around a little bit, just like it did here. It gave a type of retracement and then another leg down. This may happen again, so you'll see within the next couple of days, again, forecasting what's going to come, preparing the traders who are looking at the markets, trying to understand all this craziness that we're having, what's going to happen. Here, I'm going to just draw this out here. So the market will do this, we'll do that, we'll pop up again, and then we'll probably test it. And then if it happens to continue lower, we have a new further price lower that it needs to go. And I believe the forecast that I had originally was that it would go down to here, right about here, okay, 3,500 at this point, because they were trading the December contract. So you're going to see the market come down to here if it breaks that. So may not happen right away. Sometimes these things happen sooner, but the forecast is that it may give a little bit of a pop, just like it did here, a little bit of a rally, and then head lower. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the Accelerated Mentorship class where we include all the software and courses in one package. And I also have an automated trading system that is coming out of beta. And the automated trading system will just trade for you. Look out for that in the very near future. My name is John Paul. Have a great night. Bye-bye now. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.